to you. Run out the lyrics and you're sick in your head. Call me pussy tail when you're shit in a bed. Elephant of his support cause you bust him yourself. You sound like some ugly girl when no stop running. All about to kill writers, no one do they. Cause them sang the only rights and people go big.
What the deal? What the deal? What the deal? Vybz Kartel kills rumor after they were stating he was handcuffed at a popular supermarket, then charged with a triple murder in Portmore.
Me no come a court for joke like Chevy Chase. What's the charge? Them send me arms up like a military base. Very Mason, I'm a lawyer from the United States. Him know the good, him know the bad, is like a two-sided face. Courting session, clock a court, say in a second judge appearing. Judge appearance, start the hearing. Bible rise, people swearing. Mr. Palmer, said the judge, entertainer come to court. She said, what you here today for? He said, like no one for no. She said, listen, the officer them charge you for possession of a weapon plus the ammunition. That's another felon, plus you wanted in connection with a murder. You have anything to say before the court goes any further? Me just say, me never bring no gun that day.
What the deal? A Scottish radio station is in hot water over a song that was done by LeftSide. According to sources, they thought the song More Punnany was actually a homage to a grilled Italian sandwich. They also said the song could be considered offensive.
Last time we get some punnany, right now more punnany. Last time we get some punnany, right now more punnany.
I let a man not get no boom boom tonight,
but not me, no. Cause each and every night I must get some panana. Take her girl on the beach and create a sananana. Drunk in the dance, not tralalalalalalani.
What the deal? Veteran reggae artist Denroy was arrested in New York City for having 2 large bags filled with 25 pounds of ganja in the trunk of his car. His bill is $8,000.
Speed limit was 35, was doing 55. See a Babylon car draw out on me. We start to speed on corners, just like we are daredevils. He couldn't keep up with me, cause me too hard, with 100 beta cali weed.
What the deal? Gyptian was questioned by the police in relation to a fatal shooting incident at a recording studio. He is not detained or charged. The police only wanted to speak with him because he was reportedly at the premises at the time of the shooting.
My understanding is that the Major Investigation Task Force is doing an investigation in relation to the incident that took place on the 12th of September. And following up on that, they are interviewing a number of persons, and he went into the police and he spoke to them. He was interviewed, and he has nothing at all to do with the alleged incident, far removed from it, and just doing his civic duty as ordinary Jamaican and cooperating with the police.
What the deal? Question for the people. What do you guys think about the first episode of Teacher's Pet? Was it good or bad?
The whole idea of that Teacher's Pet character turning these women into objects reflective of his songs, to me, it's just disgusting, and it's sad that the women portray themselves in this fashion. It's very low, and it's reflective of what's going on in our society, where women with this low self-esteem, they just, I don't know, they sell themselves very short.
You know, at first I find it funny. I was wondering why they didn't start it off with the classroom with Kartel and probably Milk. But, you know, for the first episode, I think the production could have been better, much better than what they portray.
I thought it was interesting. The only thing I did not like about it is that I felt that the women were degrading themselves. I don't think Kartel was degrading them because they flew halfway across the world to enter. But as a woman, I thought it was degrading for them to lower themselves that way. But I think the concept is interesting.
I start watch a thing then, and it's like about 4 to 5 minutes in it. Me not like it. It not happen at all. Me not like it. That nothing go up on ear, man. Trust me.
Well, I enjoyed it. It was quite entertaining. The production leaves a bit to be desired. You know, there were like boom mics being reflected in the doors and the windows, etc. But it, you know, considering that it's in the fledgling stage, it has potential. I was thoroughly entertained.
What the deal? People, make sure you check out islandbuzz.com for the latest news, music, and mixtape. It is very easy to sign up, so come and join the community. What the deal? What the deal? What the deal?
dangerous.